giving us two different functions. F of x, which is given ax plus b. That is the first function given to me. And the second function which is given over here is g of x equals to 4b over x minus 1. Okay, 4b over x minus 1, where x can't be equals to 1. Okay, why x can't be equals to 1? For instance, if x will be equals to 1 and I will plot it over here, so 1 minus 1 will become 0, and if anything divided by 0, the whole thing becomes undefined. It means in this function the value of x can't be plotted as x equals to 1. Okay, now these are the two functions given to us. After that, they have said f of a equals to g of b. This is the first condition given to me, that if I will take f of a, that will be equals to g of b. That is the first situation which is given to me. Okay. Now, in the second situation, they are saying f of 1 over a equals to g of 1 over b. Okay. Function of 1 over a equals to function of 1 over b. These are the two conditions which is given to me. And with these two conditions, they are saying find the possible values of a and b. This I have to find. Okay. So how will I start my working? First of all, as they have given us f of a equals to g of b, so I will start from here. This is my function f of x, and I will be, it is f of a. So what will I do? F of, in place of x, I will write a, which will become a into a plus 1. F of a equals to a square plus 1. I have got the value of this one. After that, g of b. Okay, g of b, it means g, in place of x, I will be writing b. So 4b over b minus 1. Okay, that is the g of b where situation I have got. Now, what they have said? They have said f of a equals to a g of b. It means f of a, that is a square plus 1, equals to g of b, that is 4b over b minus 1. Simplifying it, shifting b minus 1 over here, a square plus 1 b minus 1 equals to 4b. Expanding it, a square multiplied by b, a square b, a square multiplied by this minus a square plus 1 into b will be plus b plus minus minus 1 equals to 4b. Okay, a square b minus a square minus 1, shifting b over here. So a square b minus a square minus 1 equals to 3b. Okay, I'm not doing any further simplification over here. I'm just leaving it like that. Okay, first of all, I will work with my second scenario, and then I will see, okay, how can I simplify this one, right? So my second scenario says f of 1 over a equals to g of 1 over b. F of 1 over a. F of 1 over a. It means in this function, at place of x, I will be writing 1 over A. A will be written as it is. In place of x, 1 over A plus 1. Cancelled. F of 1 over A is coming 2. Okay. Then G of 1 over B. G of 1 over B. In place of x, I will be plotting 1 over B. So 4B over 1 over B minus 1. Okay. Simplifying it further. 4B divided by 1 over B minus 1. 4B divided by nothing is written over here, so it's 1. Taking LCM, the result will be B. 1 multiplied by 1, B multiplied by 1. So when I will further simplify it, 4B divide sign change into multiply. This will be written B over 1 minus B. Okay, so when I will simplify it, G of 1 over B will become 4B square over 1 minus B. Now, they have said that f of 1 over A equals to G of 1 over B. Okay, so what will I do? F of 1 over A is coming 2. G of 1 over B is coming 4B square 1 minus B. So what will I do? I will shift 1 minus B over here. So 2 multiplied by 1 minus B equals to 4B square. Okay? 4B square, 2 multiplied by this, 2 minus 2B. Okay? Shifting it over here, 4B square plus 2B minus 2 equals to 0. 2 common, 2B square plus B minus 1 equals to 0. 2 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इधर जाके डिवाइड होगा, ये पूरी चीज गायब हो जाएगी. मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? मेरे पास बचेगा 2B square plus B minus 1 equals to 0. Okay? So now 2B square plus B minus 1 equals to 0. I am going to factorize it. So how will I do the factorization? I will do the middle term bracket. 2B square plus B minus 1 equals to 0. You can do middle term breaking or you can apply quadratic formula. So the middle term breaking of this one will become 2B square plus 2B minus B minus 1 equals to 0. Simplifying it. So 2B common, B plus 1 minus 1 common, B plus 1 equals to 0. 2B minus 1, B plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So 2B minus 1 equals to 0 or B plus 1 equals to 0. So the value of B is coming 1 over 2 or B equals to minus 1. Okay. So now what will you do? You will plot the value of B over here 1 by 1 and you will plot this value of B and you will get the result of A. Okay. So first of all, for B equals to 1 upon 2. Okay. Simplifying it. So this will become A square multiply by 1 over 2 minus a square minus 1 3 multiply by 1 over 2. And I will simplify it. A square over 2 minus a square minus 1 shifted over there. 3 into half will become 3 into 3 upon 2 plus 1. Okay. Over here, I can take LCM. What will I do over here? Taking LCM, this will become a square minus 2a square over 2. I have taken LCM of these two. Equals to. Taking LCM over here. So 3 plus 2 over 2. Okay. Over here I have taken LCM. So this is becoming a square minus 2a square over 2. And over here I have taken LCM. 3 plus 2 over 2. A square minus 2a square will become minus a square over 2 equals to 5 over 2. Okay. And when I will simplify this one, what will happen? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus a square equals to 5. Okay. Which is not possible. So I will not continue with this value. What is the other value of b given? B equals to minus 1. Plotting it over here. B equals to minus 1. So a square, b is coming minus 1. Minus a square minus 1. 3, b is coming minus 1. Simplify it. Minus a square equals to minus b plus 1. Right? Minus a square will become minus 2a square equals to minus 2. Minus 2 being multiplied, when I will shift it over here, this will become a square equals to minus 2 divided by minus 2. A equals to minus 2 cancel. 1 will be left. When I will take the root, a will be coming 1. So the result is coming a equals to 1 when b equals to minus 1. And this is not possible because of this. The result of a is coming over here, which is not possible. So we will decline this one. A equals to 1 and b equals to minus 1 will be your final answer. And one more thing, as over here they have said it is a square. So what I can do over here, I can take it as plus minus 1. Okay. So what will be your final answers? A will be 1 when the value of b was minus 1 and a will be minus 1 when b is coming minus 1. Okay, because they have asked in the question about the possible values of a and b. So see, a is 1 when b is minus 1, a is minus 1 when b is minus 1, and that's your final answer.